San Juan Nepomuceno Parish, Church in San Juan, Batangas, is historic Roman Catholic church named after Saint John Nepomuceno. The town patron saint originally built from bamboo. It was later reconstructed in stone after destroyed the original structure. The church was undergone several revolutions to maintain its appearance and remain significant religious sites in area. San Juan Nepomuceno Parish, Church in San Juan, Batangas, was a rich history dating back 1843, when the first church was built using bamboo and coconut material. In 1855, a stone church was constructed under Tomaso Mojica, but was destroyed in 1883. The town relocated. The current church was inaugurated in 1894 with Celestino Yolde. Architect, the church was follow a Baroque style, with the bell tower attend between 1928 and 1935. Over the years, it was undergone revolution, including the major restorations in 1995, preserving its facade and bell tower while reinforcing its interiors in 1990. It was designed as a historical landmark by the National Historical Commissions of the Philippines. This is the all about the San Juan Church of Batangas.